Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to open the hood on a Kia Sportage. And this will be an easy tutorial, so let's get right into this instructional video tutorial. If you want to open the hood on your Kia Sportage, this is the video for you. Really easy to do. So as you can see, I'm in a Kia Sportage right now, and from the steering wheel, we're going to go down left over here. I'm going to open the door so you can get a better view of what is happening. But over here, you can see from the steering wheel over here, if we go down to the left over here, and we go under here, so once again, just to clarify, I should do this a little bit slower. This is the steering wheel area. From here, we're going to go over there. So from the steering wheel area, we're going to go down to the left over here, okay? And we're going to see this little lever over here. All we have to do is pull that lever. You can see it sort of shows like a hood being popped. So we're going to just pull that lever, just like that, give it a firm pull. And you heard that sound, which means that the hood was popped. So we're going to go over here, and as you can see, this is the front of the vehicle. This is the hood. You're gonna feel that there's gonna be a little bit of a thing that you can slide to the side. Okay, so I'm gonna hold that to the side, and I'm gonna lift the hood up. So I'm gonna hold this to the side, and I'm lifting the hood up. And as you can see, we've now popped the hood. And then with the hood popped, obviously you're gonna have to prop it up. There's gonna be a hood prop that you can access, and you're gonna use that hood prop properly to prop up the hood. Make sure you're putting the hood prop in the right spot. Make sure you're exercising safety and caution. Make sure you are just being as safe as you can possibly be. And you can prop the hood up and hold it up. And then you can, do whatever you need to do on here. Alternatively, you can also just hold it up like I'm holding it up with my hand. If you just want to look at something, you just hold it in place like that. And then whenever you're done, you can get the hood and you can just gently release it and it'll shut like that. And that's basically it. That is how to pop the hood and open the hood on a Kia Sportage. It is actually really easy to do, and I just showed you and told you how to do it in this video tutorial. And that's it. I hope that you enjoyed this video tutorial, and I have nothing else to say, so we're going to roll the outro. If you like this video tutorial, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.